welcome to Kitchen Basics 101, where I teach you the bare bone basics as if you've never cooked a day in your life from the perspective of a mom. We're gonna make a crazy easy tomato sauce. This is by a famous chef, Marcella Hazan, I think it is. I'll tag her. Anyways, it's a super easy sauce. You're gonna get a saucepan. I'm not gonna make too much. I'm just gonna make like you could easily double or triple this recipe. I'm gonna use 1 can of crushed tomatoes. This is 28 ounces. But if you don't like your sauce to be like chunky or have chunks of tomatoes, you could also use like a passata, like a strained. This is just tomatoes. This is just tomatoes, nothing else in this. This just is strained. It doesn't have any skin in it. So that's an option too. But today we're gonna do it traditionally with the can. Even better part about this recipe is if you're someone who keeps a can of tomatoes in your pantry, you could make this sauce anytime. So I'm putting in, these are crushed tomatoes, but you could also use whole tomatoes. It's totally up to you. Just putting them in the pot. Then I'm gonna add about 5 tablespoons. 1, 2, there's little measurements on my stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tablespoons of butter. It doesn't matter if it's cold or room temperature because we're gonna cook this sauce for like an hour on the stove. Sometimes when a recipe is too simple, people don't think it's delicious, but that's just not true. So I've got my salt. Here, let me show you from above. I've just got my crushed tomatoes and or whole tomatoes or strained tomatoes and a hunk of butter. And then you guys, if you've been here before, you know I don't like onion, but in this recipe, we're gonna leave the onion basically whole. I'm just cutting it in half. We're gonna put it in and then we're gonna take it out at the end of the cooking. So I'm just gonna peel my skin off. I'll be right back. I realized when I went to peel my onion that I should have cut it the other way. I should have cut it this way instead of this way. Anywho, 2 chunks of onion, stick of butter, tomatoes. I'm gonna throw it on the stove. Okay, I've got it on medium heat. This is my onion, butter, and tomato. I'm just gonna put a pinch of salt. Maybe 2 pinches of salt. And I'm just gonna bring this up to a simmer and then I'm gonna stir it all together and I'm just gonna let it simmer on like medium low heat. You don't want it popping, you don't want it boiling, just like a light simmer on medium heat, maybe medium low, depending on how crazy it gets going, for about 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. If you're using whole tomatoes, maybe give them a little bit of a mash, but I'm using crushed tomatoes, so I don't have to worry about that. Okay, I was interrupted so many times, but after 45-ish minutes, what you're left with is this incredible, beautiful sauce. We're gonna fish out the onions, but I'm gonna try to get as much of this sauce off of the onions as I can as I fish them out of the pot. Okay, I mean, tell me that wasn't easy. Look at this, gorgeous. Now I'm boiling a pot of water because I'm gonna put my pasta, my spaghetti directly here on top of my sauce and I'm gonna toss it together and we're done. Dinner is done. How great is that? And you could have made it bigger, double, triple this recipe easily. Okay, our yummy pasta is done cooking. I did it for about 10 minutes and I'm gonna put it literally directly into my sauce. Okay, then we tossy. It's just so much better when you add it to the sauce and you toss it all together. It just absorbs the flavor so much more. So give me a second to toss. Okay, the most important part of all these videos is the tasting portion. So I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of freshly grated Parmesan cheese on top. I'm going to tell you right now, as someone who does not like onions, this is smelling like it's pretty oniony. So we'll see. We will try. But if you love onions, that might be the good news. But it certainly smells oniony. I'm getting like a pasta facial. It's so hot. Wow. It's so simple, but it's so flavorful. It's actually really good. It does have, there is an onioniness there a little bit. So if you really hate onion, maybe this isn't the sauce for you, but there's also like a deep tomato and like a rich sort of, but I guess it's the butteriness to it. Delicious. I put a little more cheese. It's wild to think that that's simple. That can of sauce, a little bit of butter, and that onion developed so much flavor over that 45 minutes, hour that it simmered on the stove. But it really did. It's really quite delicious. I would definitely make this again. And I'm interested to try the sauce on different things. You know, maybe with some meatballs. Love you guys.